My name is Yifan Wang. I came from China. I did my PhD here at Stanford Department of Mechanical Engineering, studying solid mechanics. My PhD study focused on understanding the theory and the mechanisms behind the mechanical properties of solid materials. So during my postdoc research, I shift my research focus into chemical metallurgy. So currently, the steel industry is occupying 10% of the global carbon emission. I'm looking into a promising new technology called hydrogen-based direct iron reduction that can potentially cut 60% of the carbon emission for the steelmaking industry. So what I am doing for my postdoc research is developing advanced microscopy technologies as well as advanced computer simulation and modeling tools to help us to understanding what is happening at the atomic scale and the mechanisms of the hydrogen reduction reaction that is being used in this clean technology. So during this fellowship, I got the chance to work with two faculty advisors from different departments and disciplines. So I got the chance to talk a lot with them, developing new research ideas from the point of view of different backgrounds and different research profiles. That I feel this is a very unique opportunity of this fellowship. The Energy Postdoc Fellow community is a rich community, consists of researchers from different backgrounds. So we had a lot of opportunities to exchange ideas, communications, and having workshops together. During these times that I got many good friends as well as research collaborators. That is really an unforgettable experience for me. Clean energy transition, in my opinion, is a global endeavor that involves many sectors in the society, including research institutes, technology leaders, the government, as well as industrial partners. Fortunately, during this fellowship, we got a lot of chance to talk to many people coming from these sectors, which provides their unique perspectives from different sectors to us, which we usually don't think about when we're doing experiments in the lab. So I think that shapes a mindset for me to think about the clean energy transition differently. So after this fellowship, I will move to Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology as assistant professor. I will bring along with this mindset to bridge the lab exploration with the industry applications and the greater good of the society to really push forward the impact for the clean energy transition.